Hello guys, welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Take only what resonates, bali hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate sa'yo. Para sa personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, isearch mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And also if you want na makapagpabook ng personal reading naman sa akin, feel free na lang na i-check ako sa TikTok. Yung TikTok shop ko po is Unipree. Pwede kang maka-avail ng bracelet na may kasama siyang reading. Yeah. Anyway, any comment, basta positive, ma-appreciate ko yan. Maraming salamat po. Let's start your reading. Pagpasensya mo na lang guys yung aking card. Matagal ko na tong hindi nagagamit. And isa ito sa aking favorite card. So pinagtsatsagaan ko siyang gamitin ngayon. Nararamdaman ko na yung mga messages for you dito sa card na ito. Pero medyo luma na siya. So medyo ingat na ingat lang akong i-shuffle. Ayan. Let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Yeah, you do have here the Tower and the Chariot. And the World. Okay, wait lang. Puro major arcana to guys ha. Okay. This is your side. Love reading to. Ito yung side mo, sa kaliwa yung sa person mo. You do have here the Hierophant at the bottom of the deck. Wow guys, puro major arcana ang lumalabas. The Hierophant, the Moon, the Tower, the Chariot, and the World. Okay, limang major arcana yan. Tapos sinubayan siya ng Five of Swords, which is the number 5. Okay, so itong limang major arcana na ito maybe has something to do with changes because number 5 is sa numerology, it's all about changes. And maybe you're making changes pagdating sa connection with this person. Maybe you're ending this connection, or with the Chariot, umiiwas or lumalayo ka na lang sa connection na ito. With the World, you are focusing on yourself, you are focusing na parang hindi mo na hinahanap sa taong to yung mga bagay na kukumpleto sa'yo. Parang sa ngayon, iniisip mo na hindi ko na siya kailangan. Ang sarili ko kaya kong kumpletuhin kahit wala siya. This is you concentrating on expansion. This is you making changes sa buhay mo pagdating sa mga bagay na gusto mo pang ma-achieve. And maybe you are focusing on growth, focusing on things na mai-improve mo pa sa sarili mo. Not only physically, emotionally, but also spiritually. And with the okay, may narinig ako nag-doorbell. I don't know, this could be a reading. Hindi dito sa amin, guys. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, so walang doorbell na magaganap. And anyway, with the Tower, nakikita natin yung you are the one na parang hindi ka na natatakot dito sa kung anong mangyayari or anong hatid ng future sa'yo. Maybe in the past, may pagkatakot ka na nangyayari or naganap wherein parang natatakot ka, baka hindi na matuloy yung connection ninyo, baka hindi na talaga magkaroon ng forever after, ganun kanyan. Pero ngayon parang nabago na yung mindset mo regarding doon eh. Kasi pwedeng nilet go mo yung taong to, yung iba, pwedeng nagising ka na sa katotohanan or maybe may nagsabi sa'yo or pwedeng this is you na sinabi mo sa sarili mo na, ay hindi, tama na. Or maybe someone told you na parang work on yourself. Don't focus on this person. Pwedeng ganyan. But anyway, I love your energy. Let's focus on the person na kakanet mo. Who is this person that you're dealing with? You do have here the Sun. Yan, this is also a major arcana. You do have here the Sun, the Magician. Oh no guys, puro major arcana. And the Four of Wands is here. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Pentacles. I feel like you're dealing with someone who is might be in a situation wherein there's stability. Maybe there's even marriage na involved sa connection ninyong dalawa. The Magician is here. The Magician is someone na parang not being honest actually. I see this as a literal na magikero. You know, the magikero, there's a lot of tricks, there's a lot of pagpapakita ng hindi totoo, no? Like, in order for those people around your person na parang kailangan ko kasing gampanan yung aking responsibilidad. This person with the sun, maaaring ipinapakita niya na masaya siya, na okay siya, but there's a lot of um, hidden emotions and hidden stuff dito sa taong ito. And I feel like with the Four of Wands, pwedeng it could be dealing with someone who is introvert. But anyway, if you're dealing with someone na introvert, or hindi siya pala kaibigan, or kung pala kaibigan siya, pwedeng hindi siya ganun, alam mo yon, yung hindi siya ganun mabarkada na ganun. If you're dealing with that kind of person, tapos ang career or yung work niya has something to do with dealing with a lot of people, communicating with a lot of people, I feel like hindi siya happy, no? Hindi siya masaya. Not only sa work, pwedeng pati sa home, kasi, guys, I'm also an introvert. And, yung pag-introvert ka kasi, and minsan yung pagiging mag-isa mo, yun yung nagbibigay sa iyo ng energy, na parang mas masaya yung ganito, yung mag-isa lang ako kaysa yung pag makikipag-connect or makikipag-usap ako sa iba, parang nakakapagod yun. And yun ang nararamdaman nitong person na to. Same energy, like, I need time for myself. And then, pwedeng yung time para sa sarili niya, hindi niya maibigay ngayon sa sarili niya. Sobrang napapagod siya. I can see a lot of hidden emotions and maybe kahit sa sarili niya hindi siya gano'n nagiging open. But we'll see ano yung mga messages dito for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay, you do have the Six of Wands, the Nine of Cups, and the Five of Cups. Okay, some of you, you're having problems with regards to your status, with regards to your money, with regards to your life, no? Pwedeng, oo nga, may mga bagay kang dinedevelop, pero there are things na pwedeng nawawala or nauubos din sa'yo. Some of you has something to do with mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo. Some of you, parang may mga bagay ka rin na pinaghirapan na parang ngayon parang wala nang saysay para sa'yo. Parang gusto mo na lang i-end or matapos or mabago kasi parang napapagod ka na rin. I feel like with the Nine of Cups, you are surrounded by people na parang some of you pwedeng wala ka ng pakialam, gano'n. Parang something na, parang wala ka ng pakialam. Maybe in the past, binigay mo na lahat dito sa mga ito, ng mga taong ito, pero ngayon parang wala ka ng pakialam sa kanila. And also, pagdating sa money, maybe you're just focusing on this stuff na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Pwedeng nabago yung pag-iisip mo regarding sa career, especially kung pagdating sa spiritual, pwedeng nagising or na-awaken ka regarding dito sa bagay na to. Like, you no longer feel the need na kailangan mong kumita ng ganito, ganyan, or i-achieve yung mga pangarap mo. Kasi parang medyo na iba na yung pangarap mo ngayon kumpara sa noon. And, especially if you're having problem with your money, or if you do have a business, so parang sa ngayon parang gusto mo na lang bitawan, i-let go kasi parang napapagod ka na dito, parang hindi mo na siya bina-value or hindi na ganun siya kahalaga sa'yo ngayon. Anyway, with regards to your person, tell me more about this person. As what I have noticed dito sa part na ito, supposed to be itong part na ito is emotions mo with your person, pero mas nakakonsentrate ka sa emotions sa sarili mo, mga bagay na nagbibigay ng security sa'yo at kung ano talaga yung gusto mo sa buhay. And may kinalaman yan sa mga material na bagay. And you do have here the Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Wands, the Devil. This person, nagagalit din siya sa sarili niya kasi there are things na dapat ginawa niya pero hindi niya ginawa maybe in the past, and maybe may kinalaman niya sa mga wrong choices. With the Seven of Cups, pwedeng may mga maling choices siyang ginawa sa sarili niya na pwedeng dahilan ito na may kinalaman sa family, na kumbaga parang napilitan siya nagawain or piliin itong bagay na to, taong ito, sitwasyon na ito dahil may kinalaman sa pamilya or dahil sa mga memories or mga trauma na may kinalaman sa family. Maybe naging hindi maganda yung kanyang childhood, na ito yung nagiging dahilan para sa person na ito na parang, ay, teka lang, ayokong maranasan yung ganito or ayokong iparanas yung ganitong buhay dito sa mga taong maapektuhan. So, nakikita natin na ito rin yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang somehow niloloko niya yung sarili niya. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Kasi the devil, this is someone na sinungaling na naman eh. And as you can see, there's this puppet right here. So, parang napipilitan siyang kontrolin yung kanyang emosyon. And or, may nagko-control sa kanya. This person, I feel like gusto niya ng new beginning with you. But let me clarify this. What's with the Ace of Pentacles? The King of Wands. Yeah, maybe this person is gusto niya magkaroon ng new beginning sa'yo. Like, pwedeng something na may kinalaman sa material, business, money, ganun. Mga klase ng new beginning na may kinalaman sa goals or something na material. Okay, what will happen in the future for you? Huwag mong kunin tong part na to kung hindi ka naman nakaka-relate sa part na yun, yung sa material na bagay. But anyway, let me get the future for you. You do have the Ace of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. Okay. The Moon, King of Pentacles, and one more card, King of Swords. I want to clarify itong Ace of Cups. What's with the Ace of Cups? The Justice card. Okay, what's with the King of Swords and the King of Pentacles? King of Swords and King of Pentacles. You do have the Nine of Wands and the Knight of Cups. Okay. The High Priestess is here. Five of Swords. Medyo magiging challenging ang near future para sa'yo. I feel like there's these choices, but then there's a feeling na parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawain or pipiliin mo. So, there's choices here. With the Justice card, I can see this as something na matimbang for you. If you're single, there are chance here na pwedeng there's 2 or 3 people na pwedeng magpakita ng something sa'yo, like their intentions and their and I can see communication dito sa mga taong ito na magiging dahilan para ikaw ay mamili kung sino ba, sino ba sa kanila, ganyan. And I can see choices between you and these people, or between these people kung sino sa kanila. With the Moon, I feel like hindi to para sa lahat. But there's this energy of like a twin flame situation. Kasi with the Moon, right after, sa taas ng Moon, there's the Sun. Yeah? And sa pagitan nila, I can see there's this Devil. And pagitan ng, sa dibdib ng Devil nito is mas nakikita ko yung sign ng star. It's a symbol that looks like a star. So, ito sa nakikita natin. So, there's the Moon, the Sun, and the star. So, ang nakukuha natin dito, I feel like there's, hindi to para sa lahat, guys. Itong part na to, if you're dealing with a twin flame, you would know if this is a twin flame connection. Lalo na napaka-spiritual mong tao. Alam mo kung twin flame mo yung taong yan or hindi. I can see this person na pwedeng i-reveal or pwedeng magparamdam sa'yo itong taong to. Not necessarily to tell you his or her emotions. Yung iba ganun, pwedeng sabihin yung emotions, pero yung iba pwedeng magparamdam or magpakita itong taong sa'yong ito na pwedeng maging dahilan na, ano na namang intention nitong taong to, ano na naman to, bakit nagpaparamdam na naman. So, some of you pwedeng ganon. And there's a lot of questions, pero as much as possible, ayaw mong magbigay or mag-isip ng kung ano-ano dahil ayaw mong masaktan na naman, ayaw mong magkaroon ng expectations. And maybe you're just waiting for this person na sabihin niya kung ano talaga yung intention niya. This time around, if you're dealing with a twin flame, nakikita natin na gusto niya nang i-take or makuha kung ano man yung mga minsan na in-offer mo sa kanya. But I can see some of you, you have offered something and this is a lot, no? A lot of offer. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate nun, maybe this is not your reading, but some of you, you have already offered something dito sa person na to. This time, parang gusto nang i-take or tanggapin or kunin itong person na ito yung offer na yon. The Nine of Wands, yeah, balik tayo dun sa iba, wherein hindi naman twin flame connection. There's this energy na parang may mga boundaries kang iseset sa sarili mo pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate or connect sa ibang tao. It is because ito na yung defense mechanism mo na parang ayoko nang masaktan. Ayoko nang maulit sa dati na na pwedeng masyado ka nag-take power sa relationship or what, sa connection. Anyway, you just want someone na magbabalance sa'yo, especially with the Justice card that is Libra energy. And maybe nabago na yung pananaw mo sa buhay ngayon at sa paghanap ng kapareha. Wherein, gusto mo, sa relationship, sa connection, sa kapareha, gusto mo yung ka-level mo na. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.